Now, I have practically read all books by Ankur Warikoo, and I must say that they are amazing and you should definitely give it a try. So, there is one book that I've been reading recently, and it's his latest book, and it is about winning people without losing yourself. Now, this book is pretty special because what I'm learning from this is that how you can set your boundary with other people without losing yourself. So, we have been taught to be people pleasers all our life. We have been, trained to say yes. We have been trained to bend backwards, even if it means it's uncomfortable for us, just to keep the other person happy. So Ankur talks about how you can set your boundary with people. You can politely tell them no. You can tell people no without actually disappointing someone, and yet you can keep your own boundary intact. He's spoken about a lot of topics as how you can influence people without being manipulated. Now, there is a thin line of difference between being an influence and being manipulated. He has also spoken about some strategies that you need to follow for dealing with people who are narcissists. Now, I think this is a pretty new concept. It's not a new concept, but a lot of people don't know about it. Is the term narcissism. There are a lot of people who are gaslighters and who are manipulative by nature. And if you are an empath, and if you are someone who's always looking out for other people, and you are always giving in to other people, you can easily fall prey to narcissists, because narcissists are people who basically take advantage of your goodness. And this is something that you need to be very, very careful about, and you need to be very aware about what are you accepting as a behavior. Who are you accepting in your life? What is the boundary that you're setting? And how to deal with toxic people, how to answer back without being without being defensive, right? Then it has also spoken about how you can set boundaries, how you can basically tell people that I'm not going to accept this behavior. So there's a lot that he has spoken about, and I'm going to share with you a little bit from about toxicity, about relationships, about conflicts and how to manage conflicts, about trust and how you can build trust with people. So there's a lot going on in this book. I would just suggest you to give it a try, read about it, and